Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a new phone, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to bring you a comprehensive review of the genuine Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, I know what you might be thinking, why should I consider a used phone? Well, let me tell you, this iPhone 12 Pro Max is in immaculate condition, with no disassembly, no replaced parts, and no damage to its airtightness. It has passed our strict selection and professional testing, so you can trust that it's in perfect working order. The overall appearance is very good, with only minor scratches and imprints. The display is original and works perfectly, with no dots, lines, or aging. The camera functions flawlessly, and all other features of the phone are working as they should. But that's not all. When you purchase this phone, you have the option to customize your bundle. Whether you want the standard package or to add on a 20 WPD charger or even 2 chargers, the choice is yours. And with the unlimited color option, we'll select the best condition and quality phone for you, including appearance and battery health. And as a bonus, the standard package includes a silicone case and a screen protector, so you can keep your new phone looking pristine. Plus, with the USB-C to Lightning cable for fast charging, you'll be ready to go right out of the box. So, why should you consider the genuine Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max? Because it offers top-notch performance at a fraction of the cost of a new phone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your current device, this phone has everything you need and more. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own the genuine Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Check out the link in the description to purchase yours today and take advantage of this amazing offer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and deals on the latest tech.